Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping into 2025's Essential AI Toolkit. Think of this as your guide, really, a shortcut to knowing the AI tools you'll likely bump into. Everything from, the really creative stuff to the deep foundational platforms. Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah, it's pretty wild how fast AI is moving, and in so many directions. A lot of AI is invisible, working behind the scenes, but some tools, they're becoming household names. They're directly impacting how we work, how we create,
Yeah.
even how businesses run. So the aim today isn't just the what, it's the why these tools matter specifically to you.
Exactly. So let's dive straight in with the tools most of us are seeing, or maybe even using already. Generative conversational AI. We've all heard of ChatGPT from OpenAI, but it's the power behind it, GPT-4, that's really changing things. Its ability to grasp context, nuance. It's not just a chatbot anymore. It's more like a thinking partner. It can summarize dense articles, whoop up emails, brainstorm ideas you wouldn't think of. It speeds everything up.
Mhm. And GPT-4, that large language model, it's the brain. It's popping up in all sorts of applications way beyond just chat.
And here's where it gets really interesting. AutoGPT. This isn't just responding, it's an AI agent. It can actually plan and execute steps by itself to hit a goal.
Right.
It uses GPT-4 to reason so it can handle complex workflows. Think research, customer service automation. It takes initiative. That's a big leap.
That autonomy is uh, genuinely a game changer. Now, shifting gears a bit, from AI that talks to AI that creates, the generative creative tools, equally mind-blowing. DALL-E2, also OpenAI. It basically democratizes image creation.
Right, you just type what you want to see.
Exactly. You describe something, it generates an image. Suddenly, small businesses can create marketing visuals. Writers can see their scenes. It turns imagination into pictures super fast. And beyond static images, you've got tools like Runway ML or the AI baked into Adobe Sensei. They're streamlining video, image, audio editing, automating tasks that used to take hours and hours.
It's amazing how far it's reaching, even into coding, which seems so precise. So let's talk developers. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI Codex.
Yeah, that one's huge for productivity.
It suggests code snippets, sometimes whole functions right as you're typing, like an incredibly smart assistant for programmers. Speeds things up big time.
Definitely. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, all these cool tools, they stand on foundational tech, often less visible but critical. Think TensorFlow from Google and PyTorch. These are open source deep learning frameworks.
The building blocks.
Exactly, the backbone for building and deploying complex AI models. Researchers use them, big companies use them in production. And being open source, that just accelerates everything globally, allows smaller players to build powerful stuff too.
Yeah.
And then there's Hugging Face. It's become this central hub for natural language processing, understanding human language. They offer libraries, pre-trained models like BERT and GPT. These are like super smart language engines.
For things like sentiment analysis or translation.
Precisely. Grasping nuances in text, translating instantly and accurately. Really powerful stuff.
And this isn't just for individuals or researchers, it's scaling up for businesses too, right?
Wow.
Enterprise level AI. You hear about IBM Watson or Microsoft's Azure AI.
Those are suites of AI tools designed for business needs. They focus on automating complex processes, analyzing huge data sets, driving better decisions.
Okay.
Things like sophisticated fraud detection, predicting when machinery needs maintenance, advanced customer service bots, all using NLP, advanced analytics, at scale.
So wrapping this up, what's the big takeaway from this whirlwind tour? AI is moving fast. From personal assistants to creative partners to the core of business operations, we've touched on a lot. Conversational AI like ChatGPT, creative tools like DALL-E2, coding help like Copilot, foundational tech, big enterprise platforms, IBM Watson, Azure AI,
Yeah.
whether they're standalone or part of bigger systems like SAP Leonardo or Amazon SageMaker, they're fundamentally reshaping work and creativity.
And that really brings up the key question, doesn't it, for everyone listening?
Yeah.
How will you use these tools, these intelligent assistants, these powerful frameworks? How can you leverage them to tackle problems in your field or, unlock completely new creative avenues? Think about not just what they do now, but how fast they're evolving and embedding themselves everywhere. That's where the real opportunity lies.
It's definitely an exciting and maybe slightly overwhelming time to stay informed. We really encourage you to explore some of these tools, see how they might apply to what you do.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.